Hi everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for October 14th, 2022. Uniswap crypto exchange raises millions in funding. Uniswap, a cryptocurrency exchange powered by the Ethereum blockchain, announced it has raised $165 million in Series B funding led by Polychain Capital with participation from longtime investors A16Z, Paradigm, SV Angel, and Variant. Earlier today, Uniswap released a blog announcing the growth of blockchain, which was created by Adam Hayden, inventor of the Uniswap protocol. Hayden originally talked about creating the protocol in 2018, which was his experiment to see if he could create something that fully embodied all of Ethereum's values of transparency, security, and accessibility. He added that the platform has supported $1.2 million in trading volume and has become a critical public infrastructure for a digital value exchange. It was also mentioned that Uniswap Lab has successfully spread its protocol around the world, getting people from all concerns to invest in the company's web app, developer tools, NFT launches, and mobile user support. Infosys's shares rise after optimistic outlook. Shares of India's Infosys Ltd jumped to a one-month high Friday after the company announced a $1.13 billion stock buyback plans and raised its revenue growth forecast. Bengaluru-based Infosys said Thursday that it now expects revenue growth of 15% this fiscal year ending in March, up from 14% growth previously. Infosys's shares rose 5.2% to an intraday high of 1,493.70 rupees on the National Stock Exchange, the highest level since September 14th. Infosys's bullish view contrasts with the outlook of larger rival Tata Consultancy Services Ltd, which earlier this week indicated some weakness in long-term outsourcing deals, while it was mostly adding small and mid-sized orders. According to Refinitiv, analysts expect Infosys's annual revenue to grow 19% compared with 16% growth in TCS. Meanwhile, most Indian software exporters are keeping a strict eye on their spending amid shrinking budgets from their recession-hit US and European customers. Oil rises on weaker dollar, low US inventories. Oil prices reversed previous losses in Asian trading on Friday and moved higher thanks to a weaker US dollar and lower diesel inventories, while Saudi Arabia and Washington continued to clash over OPEC Plus plans to cut output. Brent crude futures rose 0.3% to $94.88 a barrel, and U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures rose 0.4% to $89.47 a barrel. A decline in the U.S. dollar and an active recovery of risky assets lifted oil prices. The upward momentum could continue at today's Asian session, said Tina Tan, an analyst at CMC Markets, as a weaker dollar usually makes dollar-denominated commodities such as oil cheaper for holders of other currencies. China, the world's largest importer of crude oil, is struggling with COVID-19 outbreaks after a week-long National Day holiday earlier this month and on the eve of a key Communist Party Congress where President Xi Jinping is expected to extend his leadership. The number of infections in the country is low by world standards, but the country has a zero-COVID policy, which puts a lot of pressure on economic activity.